Okay guys, now I will just explain all of these remaining in this one video and cover them up in a brief way. So here is seasonality, and we have talked about that. We can check it from the Google Trends and as well from the Helium 10 search volume graph, and the same we can use other tools like Viral Launch and Jungle Scout so to check the seasonality, and mostly we check the seasonality from the search volume of a product, right? The same we check weight of that product, that it is not having high weight, because as much the product is weightful and it's heavy, so Amazon will be charging us more FBA fees. Okay, as we have discussed before, there are FBA fees, so we will be charged by Amazon very high FBA fees, and also adding to this, while shipping those products on by air, we will be having a really high shipping charges. So we should avoid such a product which is having high weights, because while shipping we will be charged so much, and after that Amazon will be charging us, so we should avoid a very high weight products, right? The same product rating, it's really important. We should not ignore this term, right? Okay, I will make another separate video for product rating.